Hello friends, welcome to Penostoughton. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Jinhao 01 Transparent Body Fountain Pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on this pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. So here this is a transparent body and cap like demonstrator, and which has a very thin clip portion and a very thick round portion on the bottom of this clip, and it is a very sturdy one. And in the top of this cap there is a transparent dome like structure which is looking so awesome, and with this top view it is looking so amazing. And with this transparent view you can find this is a converter ink filling system, cartridge converter type. And in the side of this cap the brand's name Jinhao was mentioned, and it is a normal pulling type opening. And here this is number 5.5 nib with fine tip silver plated one, and in this nib it is mentioned that it is Jinhao, the brand's name, and fine tip is mentioned with the Jinhao's mod symbol. And you can swap the nibs as well, like since we have number 5.5 nibs in many brands, and usually pen enthusiasts will swap with can write nibs where we have a fine, medium, broad, and again with gold, dual tone and silver plated nibs. And also flex nibs can be swapped in this pen, so the choice is yours. For that you can go to our site, click pen spares, then go to nibs, and there you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And let me show you the measurement of this pen. The holding area's diameter is 9.3 mm and the body is 11.5 mm, and the length of this pen without cap is 110.5 mm, and with cap it is 124.6 mm. With this measurement you can get some idea about the pouches for this pen. If you maintain this using your pouches and all, the same aesthetic, same shininess will last forever. And for pouches you can refer our site. We are having single pen, double pen, 4-pen pouches and all with different colors, with different size, and we can also do engraving on the pouches also, so you can check in our site. Now the entire weight of this pen is 11 grams, a light weighted one. As the holding area's diameter is a little one, a small one, this is more suitable for little fingers too. And also please note, as this is a transparent body pen, please do not use primary color ink, so that it will create the strain on the wall of this converter, so it will reflect on this transparent hue, so be particular on that. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so we'll get a scratchy writing and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the deposits and dirts, please remove the feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and twist and pull it out. It is not just twisting and pulling up, just twist and screw it up and open. This is a screwing type. And after removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush or clean it well with soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, you can allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And let me show you the converter. This is the Jinhao's converter. It is mentioned here. And the ink filling process here is you have to unscrew this like in the transparent in this anti-clockwise direction, and dip in the ink and pull this back to in the clockwise direction. The ink will be filled up this portion, so you can fill good amount of ink in this. Otherwise you can use cartridges also. For that you can directly remove this portion and fix the cartridges here, and You can fill the ink by removing this also, but if you are doing this for the first time, do this with the tip portion itself, because the ink circulation will be good in this portion, in this feeder screws. And there is a black color ring portion. This is not sticked anywhere. Maintain this carefully for the aesthetic of this pen. And few nibs need to be fine-tuned, because during the manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down, so it will create some space in between the tines, so we will get a smooth writing and a very good ink flow in turn. And whenever we dispatch the pens to a customer, we do this fine-tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And also make sure both the tines are parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. And here let me give the writing sample of this with our pen house emerald green ink. A very smooth writing it is. Yeah, it is very smooth writing and a very good writing. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.